indicator. Now we are going to see communication system, which is a subsystem, fourth subsystem of avionics subsystem. So communication system have pilot receiving information in real time. VHF com communication digital link range from 118 to 137 megahertz for 200 miles at low altitude. Satellite communication via the in-mass satellites using four satellites centralized over the Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, East and Atlantic Ocean, west for high altitude. So communication system diagram is represented here. So the communication types are communication for altitude, speed and route by ATC to pilot before hand on Vivo or on 108 to 118 megahertz. Communication by pilot to ATC on voice through FM transceiver on 119 to 140 megahertz. Interphone cabin communication. So this is airband radio. So communication types, under that we will have communication connecting the flight deck to the ground and the flight deck to the passenger. Flight deck to groundwork on the airband of 118 MHz to 136.975 MHz, which is airband receiver. Onboard communication for public address system to the passenger and aircraft intercom to the crew. Airband radio pilot to ATC. Communication system using airband receiver for contacting ATC and fellow pilot. 136 to 136.975 megahertz used with the 720 communication channel. Airband radios available at 14 volt or 28 volt. This is the airband radio. Then cockpit to cabin communications is for takeoff and landing. Flight attendants receiving the notification from the crew for turbulence. Cabin to cockpit communication on the quality of service. So next, sterile cockpit regulation. So regulation specifically prohibiting crew members performance of non-essential duties or activities while the aircraft is involved in taxi, takeoff, landing and all other flight operation conducted below 10,000 feet MSL. So this is airband receiver. It is 118 megahertz to 136.975 megahertz. This is radio altimeter. So next we are going to see flight control system and FMS and its types and principle. So flight control system means of automatically controlling flight. Autopilot used to control heading and altitude. Fly by wire and fly by light, two methods in flight control system. Limited authority on thrust and flight control surfaces. So AFC parameters are stabilization of the aircraft angle and flight altitude, return of the aircraft to a straight and level flight path from any altitude, programmed flight altitude, climb and descent, control from ground and air direction post, self-guidance, interface to the weapon control system, en route flight, return to home airfield and landing approach by radio beacon. So autopilot system consists of automatic flight control system which keeps on aircraft in level flight. or on a set course using a flight computer, a mechanical, electrical, or hydraulic system used to guide a vehicle without assistance from a pilot for altitude, airspeed, and rate of climb or descent rate. Autopilot system use integrated processor. So this is flight computer system. So objective of flight management system or end-to-end flight planning, controlling the aircraft track to the accuracy of the three wing width and the time of arrival to within 6 seconds anywhere in the flight plan. Navigation, integration of inertial radio and GPS sensor, trajectory prediction or optimization, flight guidance interface, it is roll, pitch, and thrust command, electronic map interface, horizontal and vertical flight plan display,